In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace blank cells in Google Sheets using the Find and Replace feature. If you frequently work with large spreadsheets, you may notice spots where the data just isn't quite as filled in as you might like, those pesky blank cells. Whether you're organizing a personal project or managing a professional data set, having gaps in your spreadsheet can disrupt your flow. But don't worry, we're here today to make those spaces work for you. First, we'll begin by opening the Google Sheet file you want to work on. This is your canvas for data manipulation. Once opened, check through your data to spot the areas that have those blank cells. This will give you an idea of the work ahead. Next, you'll want to initiate the Find feature to help locate those blank spaces quickly. For this task, you need to press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut is a quick way to bring up the search bar that allows you to search through your sheet in seconds. Once that's done, you'll see a search box appear in the top right corner, ready for action. With the search bar now in view, look for the More Options button. Click it. By accessing More Options, you open up advanced functions that will aid us in our goal. Navigating to this window gives you more tailored search criteria, crucial for our next step. Now it's time to harness the pattern matcher. In the search box, type in /n. This code is not random. It's a specifically designed string that represents empty cells, making it the hero of our operation. Inputting this command will guide Google Sheets to identify all those empty cells in your dataset. Moving forward, direct your attention to the Replace section. Type in the value or text you'd like to replace those empty cells with. This is the transformative step where we take emptiness and turn it into something beneficial for your spreadsheet. Whether it's 0 for numerical data or a placeholder like NA, what you decide depends on your data needs. After that, click on the Replace All button. This is the magic button that activates the change across your entire sheet, ensuring every blank cell meeting our criteria is filled with the designated replacement. It's this feature that saves you from manually sifting through and editing each cell individually. Finally, don't forget to click on Done. This simple action finalizes your changes and closes the Replace window. Once finished, you should find your data set more consistent, with no data gaps to worry about. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've conquered the blank cells in your Google Sheets, making your data complete and ready for whatever analysis or presentation lies ahead. Keep exploring these handy tips to make the most out of your data management skills. Happy data organizing!